Daddy. Lapile. Lerato la mphang.
La vola pisa. Atenna. I don't know if I should take that as a compliment or a complaint. What is it, baby? Tell me.
I'm tired now.
Hey,
this love is too much.
Hey, Vanna. It's overwhelming you.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, what can I say? You've given your whole self to me. So you don't have your own energy anymore. It belongs to me. Yeah, when I decide that you have strength, that's when you'll have it. Yeah, that's how it is. Not just your man, I'm your God. Yes. So I understand. Totally. Yes.
Whatever.
If a man leaves you the way he found you, he's nothing. He didn't do anything. Better leave him. It's better to be alone. Must make women tired. Make your woman tired. Yeah, so that she cries on your shoulders the whole day.
Yeah.